What are you so upset about?
I wanted to see the red beak.
The red beak of what?
The red beak
Of that big rubber duck? Why are you so sad?
I want to see him again because I liked him.
You liked it, him? Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh, Bubba.
I want you to show me a picture of him.
You want to see a picture of him? Why?
Because I really miss him. And I don't know where he is when he's away.
He's in Los Angeles.
I need to show me a picture because I don't know what he looks like when he's somewhere else.
Oh, do you think he should come back to Pittsburgh?
I want you to show me.
Okay.